I'm going to tell you a little story now, guys. I was 21 years old, I couldn't even play the guitar. I was working in a go-kart track, and my parents said to me, what are you going to do with your life? And I found a $50 guitar in my wardrobe, and I learned this song, and I'm going to play it for you now. Join in and see if you can sing it with me. Here we go. Woo! Here's Daddy on the strong and you were not safe. Moving back, where that's where I was a kid. I said the best day of my first time. Ain't 4 years ago, gone by, and I played the night. 'Cause they're just pictures hanging side by side. Got memories of another time, and all the places that I've been before. Nothing like recipes before. That's my life, all the crazy windows. First day in the dark, when I was 5 years old. Hope God and my cousin said I could New Mexico. At least the mother means from the idea today. It's part of the world with all of them all night. Let's go! With all those pictures, hanging side by side. See it! Got memories from another time, and all the places that I've been before. Nothing like recipes before. But that's my life, all the refrigerator. Let's go, guys! It's like our bodies drifting to the side. All the top to bottom, the whole way she's on mine. She's like cool, with all those pictures hanging side by side. You know it! Got a memory of another time, and all the places that I've been before. Nothing like recipes before. That's how all the refrigerator. All the refrigerator. Thank you very much. Blackpool, are you having a good time? This song's about reinventing yourself. If you have a dream and you want to do it, this is making yourself a brand new man. There we go.